how to use IES files of a set length with various linear lengths in LightStanza. So in Revit, in our LightStanza plugin, there are two parameters that matter. And these parameters are for changing the IES output and length in the LightStanza application. So if I go and I select a light fixture in Revit, I have my LS luminous length parameter and my LS IES basis length parameter. These two parameters, when set, will prorate the output and change the length of your IES file in LightStanza automatically. And so right now my IES file I have in here is a 4-foot IES file, so I want to put in under the IES basis length 4 feet. Hit OK. And now the luminous length parameter needs to match my instance-based length parameter. And so in this case, that's AKLD length is my instance-based parameter for this linear. So for example, when I change it, this value here changes. And so this parameter here needs to match that. Now, if you're Revit savvy, you can use a formula to do this. If you're not, you can do two things. You can manually set it to 40 feet. Or you can go up here to our new custom tool, copy to LS luminous length. And first thing you would do is you would select this drop down here, AKLD length, and then you would select the copy to luminous length button. And this is going to fill every luminous length parameter on each light fixture correctly. So 20 feet, 20 feet, 8 feet, 8 feet. And our IES basis length is set to 4 feet. You can also, instead of having to set the IES basis length manually, you can use our new command set ls IES basis length. You click this, and now if we go to this fixture here, edit type, we can see it filled out 4 feet. And let me just show you in fact that it does change. Let's put that at 2 feet. Click the button, and there it is. So now this is ready to export. Every time I make a change to a linear, if I change this to put it here, it's 40 feet, and I can just call this again, and now it's 24 feet. So now I can export this to LightStanza. And we can see that my linears are scaled correctly. So if we zoom in here, this blue line that's in between the fixture geometry, that is the IES luminous length box. And so for these, and then for these fixed lengths, it's scaled correctly as well, and it's all the same IES file. And we can confirm that by going here and seeing XAL 2060, XAL 26.